So guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my kitchen. So guys, today we're gonna be doing some stewed peas. This is my peas. It has been soaking in some water for over 12 hours. And here we have some pig's tail that is already being cooked to get the salt from it. Not really being cooked, but being scalded to get some of the salt from it. And also to this I will be adding some chicken foot. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook for some time. It's not gonna take too long to cook because it has been soaking, so I'm not even gonna pressure it, so I'll just allow it to cook. So guys, here my peas has been cooking for some time, and this is my pig's tail. I had scalded it twice to get rid of the excess salt, so I'm adding this now, adding that, and also I will be adding my chicken foot. So guys, I'll be giving this a quick stir. So guys, there you have it. I'll be giving this a quick stir and just allow it to cook. Ensure that everything is being covered. Guys, I'm just gonna close this up and allow it to cook, and then we'll be preparing our other ingredients. So guys, this is my coconut milk I'm gonna add, and also my cloves, and I'm gonna add it to this. It's not finished cook, but I'm gonna allow the coconut milk to cook inside also. So I'll be adding this with my clove. Yeah. And just allow to continue cook. So guys, here I have some flour, just enough to make some spinach to put in my stewed peas. So to this I had already had salt and just a little bit of water to knead it up. Nothing too much because these will be very small, so don't need a lot because we're not making dumpling here, just making some spinach. So guys, there you have it. This is the amount. So guys, to this I will be adding my spinach. So you just need this amount of flour. Guys, that's how small I want them, and just rolling them with the palm of my hands and putting them in. So guys, also to this, I will be adding my seasoning. This is scallion, thyme and onion. We're adding these to it. Also, we'll be adding some powder seasoning. So I'll be adding some all-purpose season to this. A little more powder seasoning. Also, I'll be adding some cayenne pepper. Not a lot, just a small amount. So guys, I'll also add some carrots to this. So guys, I will allow this to cook for another 10 minutes, just to allow all the seasoning to be incorporated in it. Sorry. And guys, to this I won't be adding any thickener because it's already thick enough, and also the thickness of your stew peas also depend on the amount of peas you use. And because I didn't want to use any additional thickener, I'd use a lot of peas. So I'm just gonna cover this and allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. So guys, here you have it. My stew peas is ready. There you go guys. There you have it guys, my stew peas is ready, and I'll be serving this with some white rice. Hope you do enjoy this recipe, and guys, if you do like this recipe, please leave a comment and give me a like. Okay, so guys, this is the finishing product, and I serve this up with some rice and some vegetable. There you have it guys, my stew peas. If you enjoy this video, I hope you give me a like, and also tell a friend to tell a friend. Until the next video, bye bye.